I rent it through RVshare and Outdoorsy, so I'm gonna give you a little information. These are private owners that they put their RVs and stuff on the websites, and you can rent from private owners. So I'm gonna go here on RVshare and just show you how it looks. And this is where we rented our first one from a couple of weeks ago. So you put your address in and you put the date you need it. So I'm gonna just put this date in here from the 16th through the 18th, just show you how it works, and you hit search. So what it's gonna do is show you what's available. So I really want the towable ones. I don't want to see everything, so I want to tow it behind my truck. And if you look down here, it'll show you how many miles away it's away from your house. And this one right here is 1.2 miles away, so it's right up the road. So I'm gonna click on it. And once you click on it, it's gonna show you all the fees. And you see this RVshare is for 2 nights, a total of $240. That's what's gonna be paid. And the owner of the RV will get 85% of that. And you see it's got a cleaning fee and everything else. So this is your total price, $327.10. And you can scroll down and you can see other information like what amenities it comes with, a TV, and most of them have pots and pans and cover. You can use whatever you want to that's in that RV. And like I said, we rented it 2 weeks ago, and it was awesome. They had the gas, propane gas, everything. And you notice that if you need to rent a generator, they have generators. So this is optionals. If you want to use your own generator, or you can use their generator. Like this person right here charged $50, which is good for the whole day or for the whole 2 days. You don't have to pay by the hour. Some of them you have to pay like $3, $4 an hour. And it's really handy. I like it. Right up the road. And this same RV is also on the Outdoorsy website. So you see this RV right here, and when I went on Outdoorsy, it was on there also. So a lot of these RV owners, they put them on both sites. And we're gonna look at this same RV on Outdoorsy website. So I'm gonna just put in an address and a date. See, I'm renting this next week, so I don't want to use the 16th through 18th because it won't show available. So I'm going to put the 23rd through the 25th. Once I do that, I'm going to hit search. And I'm going to click the type, towable. So I'm going to be towing this with my truck. And you see right here, that's the same RV, $120 a night. But I'm gonna show you the difference between Outdoorsy and RVshare. You notice that Outdoorsy price right here is $240, which the other one was $240 also. And you notice that they got a fee in here, $56. So a lot of the owners like to put their stuff on this website because Outdoorsy don't charge the owners a fee, it charges the renters a fee. But you notice that on Outdoorsy, you don't have to pay for insurance because the insurance would be included. They have their own insurance. But if you need additional stuff like the cleaning fee, that's $40. That's required. If you would like for them to pick it up or set it up, they charge another fee. You don't have to get any of this stuff if you don't want to. You can rent a generator from them, and it tells you the mileage, unlimited generator charge, one-time charging fee. Also give you, refunds or something if you need to cancel, but that is the policy right there. But like I said, most of the owners will put their stuff on Outdoorsy because Outdoorsy charge the renters a fee, not the owners. But on RVshare, the fee come out of the price that the owners charge. So they don't get the $240. He would only get the 85% of that, between 10 and 20%. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. And visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net.